Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change the order of photos on Instagram after posting. So if you also want to change the order of photos on Instagram after posting, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Instagram application. You can see over here Instagram application has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom you'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your profile interface. Over here you'll be able to see your profile. You'll also be able to see your posts over here. So sometimes when you're posting the multiple photos on Instagram, you might have chosen the wrong order of photos. And after you've posted it, you might not be able to find the direct option for changing the order of photos. But I'll tell you what to do. So first of all, what you have to do is tap on the post in which you want to make the changes. You can see over here that particular post will be opened. You can see I've posted multiple photos over here. You can see over here this is my first photo. So if you want to change the order of photo, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see right above the photo. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for edit. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the edit interface. From here, you'll be able to edit. So you can see over here, this is the first photo that I've posted. So if I want to change the order of this photo, what I have to do is first of all, delete the photo. Don't worry, we'll restore the photo later on. So what you have to do is tap on the small delete icon that you'll be able to see on the photo. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You can see over here, you'll be able to restore the photo. Simply tap on the option delete that you can see on the screen. Now it has been deleted. Now simply tap on the right icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now the post has been saved. Now what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for your activity. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to your activity interface. You'll be able to find several options like likes, comments, notes, tags, etc. What you have to do is find the option for recently deleted. Once you find it, tap on it. Now you'll be led to the recently deleted interface. You'll be able to see all the recently deleted posts over here. Simply tap on the photo that we deleted earlier. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the three dots that you can see right above the photo. Now you'll be able to find the options like save, delete and restore. Simply tap on the option restore. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. All you have to do is tap on the option restore. Now your photo has been restored. Let's go back. Now tap on the post again. Now you can see over here the first photo is not that photo any longer. If you swipe right, the recently restored photo will be at last. Repeat this process until you're satisfied with the order. So that is how you change the order of photos on Instagram after posting. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.